So the area we're on, I'll show you. Where did your phone? Hi. So the area that we're on was where the Isis temple used to be alive also. So I'm just gonna show it like a little bit like that, where there is the entrance, and also here around, like this part. And so what they did was that in the 60s they actually moved everything to a little bit further. I will show you pictures of that where it was a little further. And that we can actually feel now that we're here, that the whole area is like disrooted, because you have all the temples and the pyramids are all aligned on the grid outside of the planet. So it's like a grid holding the unity consciousness of these temples of light together. And Isis obviously is one that is very important because it holds the energy of pure love consciousness. So imagine that, like you have this hugely powerful, amazing temple, which is not rooted to its original place, but it's moved. And it's not moved far, but it is moved out of the... Hi Rania! It's Rania. Rania! But it's moved. So we're going to do a meditation for that, an activation. What we do is that we will go deeply into the roots. So we are actually on. So the water it's a dam that was built in the 60s. It took 7 years, and they brought it from one place to the other. And so we're going to go deeply into the water just under us, and then go into the ground and really connect to the pure consciousness of love. Bring it back up into our body, so that our bodies are vibrating. We're here with 6 beautiful goddesses. I don't know if anybody wants to say hello, because this is live and this is public. You can show yourself. Hello! Beautiful goddesses, all dressed in white. And so we are going to carry this energy within our bodies, and then as a ceremony, as magic, as as awareness, we bring it into the Isis temple and bring it back there, so that the whole energy can be rooted. So obviously we're going to connect to the grid around the planet, we're going to connect to the grid under to this temple, and then bring it, because these sacred places, these temples of light, are carrying the codes, the encodement, which you can see as subatomic particles of light in our DNA, but also in the stones of these type of sacred sites. And so we actually activate and reactivate, remember them. And it's also beautiful because this temple is all about Osiris, so about all the remembering and the becoming one. And so so let's do this. You're very welcome to join. Hi Alataya. You're very welcome to join. So what we will do is just clearly we connect to the grids. We go down into the old place where they took the temple from, and reconnect it through our bodies, through your awareness, to our presence here, into the place where the Isis temple is now. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so we won't make it long. It will be short, precise. And so just for a moment, just tune in to the heightened awareness that is within the codes of this land, within the codes, as we said, the subatomic particles in the matter, in the DNA that is also in your own body. And just, you can close your eyes and just become aware of your breath. And so connect to the grounds with below, so below the whole, this land, through the water. The element water is for ease and flow and smoothness, so you can go through the water very easily with your consciousness and then go deeply into that place which is perfectly aligned to the stars and to the consciousness grid around the planet, and feel how it's slightly off. From the stars it doesn't look like it's very far off, but as these temples are very, very precise, with the pyramids and all built on the Orion belt and Sirius and all the stars, just feel that, how it's slightly off, and then ask permission to Source, to Mother Earth, Father Sky, Isis, who is the guardian of this place, who is the holder of pure consciousness, pure love. And ask permission if you may carry that energy from this original built place to the new place, so that everyone that will come to these places will have access through their DNA, through the stones, through the matter, to reach this pure consciousness, pure love consciousness. You can call it enlightenment, you can call it resurrection, you can call it ascension. It's basically all the same thing. It is oneness, state of oneness. So now that you're deeply connecting to this old place, ask the Earth Gaia for the new Earth timelines and the light codes, the source codes within your own body, within your own DNA, the subatomic levels of light within your own DNA, to be activated and awakened. Feel how there is the presence, I can feel the presence of Thoth, and also with his wife Shishat. So feel the presence, call in for your own guidance, your own ascended masters, enlightened ones, ancient ones, anointed ones. Call for your own guidance to guide in this meditation. This spiral of light which goes directly from this place deep down into the earth. It's a spiraling energy of light going deep down, so that's the one that is grounded that we want to bring to the other place. So go deeply into it. You can go until the center of the earth. And then once you have reached that center, you can bring it back up. It's like you will move these activations, this light, with your awareness, with your breath. You can even use your breath and breathe in. And then when it's activated, you can breathe it out through your own body, through your own awareness. It's like you are digging deep down for these codes and bringing them up through the water, through your body, inside of your body, towards the new place, towards the new space. Bring that grounding and feel also how it's aligned with the grid. It's a consciousness grid. I can show you pictures later on the exact structure of the geometrical shape of this grid. But for now you can just tune into it as an energy, as a matrix. So now for the girls that are here, so Isis will give you a gift and you may receive it. It can be words, a message, it can be an object, light, crystals, whatever it is. We receive it, and this is what you will bring to the new temple of Isis. Not like a material gift, it's like it's light. It's a very, very high frequency of light. You can call it diamond light, you can call it platinum light, you can call it even clear light. It goes kind of beyond light, translucent light. It's such a high vibration that there is no more light. So this is this is part of the codes or encodement that we will bring there. So I feel that we can do some toning for some clearing, because there is some pain here for the moving of the temple. Anybody wishes to do some toning? I'll do some toning just shortly. This is purely clearing, yeah, with the sound you're clearing this area. You can do this in your own area if you're joining on live, and do it around in your own area, some clearing. Bring in those new codes, that activation. To add something? Do you feel ready to take this energy to the new temple?
Yes.
Anything we forgot? Anything we didn't do?